It is snack time for the peas. I have bananas for them today. It doesn't matter what I'm serving though, because Sister is always the first to grab it. And then Peepers was really hungry today. And McLeod doesn't like eating out of my hand, but she will not miss a meal. Sister by far gets most of the food. And because I'm in the front of the house, this is actually Jafar. Now that mating season is here, Brother and Jafar split the yard. So Jafar gets the front, Brother gets the back. Astonishingly, McLeod just ate out of my hand, which she almost never does. Of course, Peepers had to interject and take all the rest of the food. And it was absolutely freezing out today, so my fingers were starting to get cold and slimy with the banana. This was really not the best idea, but I love them and they deserve it. So yeah, food for today. Bye.